Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Sakar Murli, 28th August 2021. Essence. Sweet children, do not believe any gossip you hear. If someone tells you wrong things, let them in one ear and out of the other. Today's question is, what are the signs of children who maintain the happiness of knowledge? Answer. They continue to merge their karmic accounts of suffering for their past actions in happiness. When you have the happiness of knowledge, you forget the world of pain, sorrow, and suffering. Your intellects are aware that you are now going to the world of happiness. Ravan cursed you and caused you sorrow. The Father has now come to remove you from this world of sorrow and suffering and take you to the world of happiness. Today's song is, having found you, we have found the whole world. The earth, the sky, everything belongs to us. Today's essence for Dharana is, point number 1, benefit yourself and others by following Srimad. When someone tells you false things, listen to them but ignore what they say. Don't become upset by them. Point number 2. Pay attention that the name of the decoration of the Brahmin clan who are to become deities is never defamed. Never perform wrong actions. Settle your past karmic accounts. Today's blessing is, may you be complete and perfect, equal to the Father, and have the same stage in praise and defamation, in victory and defeat. Again, may you be complete and perfect, equal to the Father, and have the same stage in praise and defamation, in victory and defeat. When a soul reaches the stage of completion and perfection, he maintains equanimity in praise and defamation, victory and defeat, happiness and sorrow. Even in the midst of sorrow, instead of having waves of sorrow on your face or forehead, let waves of happiness and joy be visible. Even while hearing any defamation, do not feel it to be defamation, but praiseworthy words to make you mature in your stage of perfection. When you have such equanimity, you will then be said to be equal to the Father. Do not have the slightest attitude of someone being an enemy and coming to insult you, and another one coming to praise you. Today's slogan is, constantly pay attention to practicing yoga and you will claim a number in the first division. Again, constantly pay attention to practicing yoga and you will claim a number in the first division. Om Shanti.